Hey everybody, it's Marie Antoinette with Posh Paper Perfection, and welcome to my channel. Hey, listen, I'm going to be doing a review on the Boya Wireless Lapel Microphone System. You're going to see what I like about it, what I don't like about it. Am I going to keep it, or is it going to be returned? So let's tune into the video. I am doing a review on the Boya Wireless Microphone System. I am really excited about trying this. I had to do a little different setup. I'm going to be using this with my iPhone Pro, and we will see how it works. We'll see what the quality is. Right now, you're hearing me off of my Logitech Brio webcam, and I'm going to be turning that off, putting it back onto the iPhone so you can hear the difference, and then moving around in my craft studio to see if it really does make a difference with the sound. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is everything that comes in the box. When you open up the box, you're going to get two different boxes in here. This box right here has the battery pack, the receivers, and the transmitter, along with, let's see, open this up, some windshield buffs, I'm going to call them. I'm not sure what exactly they're called, but they go on the receivers. Then you have a whole bunch of different kinds of adapters. So this is not just for iPhone. You can plug it into your headphone jack. If you have a gimbal, you can plug it in there. It also has connections for either Mac or Android phones, operating systems, and then also you have the iPhone one as well. In the second package, you have cord, case, and then instructions. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and test it out, and they have this blue release button here, and you just pull it back, and then you can slide this thing out. Okay, the adapter out. I want to put in the iPhone one, so it's nice in there. All right, so these need to be paired, and so to pair them, all you have to do is press this button here, the power button, and hold it down. And when I held it down, then it automatically paired. I don't see if you can see that, but there's a blue light right here, and then the blue light over here. So now they're paired, and now I can plug this into my iPhone, which right now, like I said, the sound is coming from my Brio, and I'm going to do that. All right, I'm going to put this on me. Okay, and the microphone is on this side here. Snap that in there and put that real close up to my mouth. I'm going to go ahead and switch the audio to microphone audio. We should see something. See if I can get the microphone. Where is the... I'm just going to make sure I have the microphone, the sound going, and I think I do. All right, and it's pretty low. So let's go ahead and make it louder. There's a plus and minus button here. This is the plus button, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that plus button. Because I don't know which one's the plus button, I had to take it off, but let's try it again. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. So that's what it's like when I have it on. And now I'm going to switch to just me, and me find that scene. So let's get up and we can walk around and see if this actually still works. So as you can see, I am in my craft room. This is my craft room. And I'm walking around and I'm over here and I'm still, hello, I'm still here. So I think this worked really well. I'm going to go walk over to the door and I think you guys can hear me over here now. So as you can see, the volume was very significantly less, and I was actually really disappointed. Now, I have my lapel on, but I'm still using my Brio Logitech webcam that's right above where I am. Now, I thought it would be fair to walk around my room with my Brio Logitech cam where it is and see how the volume changes. Mind you, I went to school for performing arts, so projection is not hard for me. In fact, I can sing and have an audience of about 700 and have the person in the back row be able to hear me clearly. So this may not be a very fair test, but just because of camera purposes and because I did it with the Boya, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and walk to the back of the room. So here I am in the back of my room, and hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm going to walk over here, and over here is where my Cricut is. You probably can't see it because my chair is there. And then I have my lighting and blah, blah, blah. Yes, hello, da-da-da. The volume sounds so much better with the Brio, and my room is very small enough where I don't need a lapel. Even if I had a lapel, this probably would not be the one that I would go with, just because it is hard to pick up. Now, I will show you that it does work, so I'm going to switch it back to my iPhone microphone. So my Boya can pick up my voice, and as you can see, let's see, I'm going to switch it to, yep, it's on my iPhone. Okay. So as you can see, if I held it up here, you probably could hear me very, very well. And I don't know if that makes a big difference or not, but now I have it here. And what does it do? I mean, can you still hear me? I don't really know until I watch the video back. We are going to try one more thing. I changed it to the M instead of the S. Not sure exactly what that does, and I'm going to go ahead and change my iPhone microphone, which you should be hearing, and I'm going to go ahead and test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Let's see if that works. I think it's safe to say that this is going to be returned. I am very disappointed in the sound quality, to be honest with you, and I did look in my settings in my iMac and iPhone to make sure that there wasn't a problem in the back end with the input. So I'm really not sure exactly what is happening, but if you know, please comment in the comment sections below, because I have seen some reviews from some very reputable people that have had no problem with this microphone. But for me, I will stick to my Brio, to be honest with you. If this review was helpful for you in determining whether or not this product was for you, let me know. Thank you so much for watching.